Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. VLOOKUP is one of the most useful functions for searching and retrieving data from a specific column in a table. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our data set. Here we have a simple table of employee data. We have the employee ID, name, department, and salary. Let's say we want to find the department of a specific employee using their employee Idaho. Here's the data we'll be working with. Now, let's say we want to find out the department for employee ID 103. We can do this easily using VLOOKUP. Click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. I'll click on cell F2. Now type the following formula. VLOOKUP 103, a 2 to D6, 3 false. Let's break down this formula. 103 is the value we're looking for, which is the employee ID. A 2 to D6 is the range of our table. 3 is the column index number, which tells VLOOKUP to return the value from the third column of the table. False indicates that we want an exact match. Now press enter and you'll see that the department for employee ID 103 is finance. That's it. You've successfully used VLOOKUP to find the department of an employee. Now let's try another example to find the salary of employee ID 105. Click on another empty cell, say F3, and type the formula. VLOOKUP 105, a 2 to D6, 4 false. This time we're looking for the salary, so we use 4 as the column index number because the salary is in the fourth column of our table. Press enter, and you'll see that the salary for employee ID 105 is $48,000. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the VLOOKUP function to search for and retrieve data in Excel. This powerful function can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large data sets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.